It's our annual gingerbread house decoration competition. We always do these little mini gingerbread houses, and I put melted sugar so that it can stay strong. And then everybody gets some icing. We get a little mini gingerbread person for our house and a big one to enjoy right away to decorate. Are you ready, guys?
Yeah.
Let's do it. And what goes great with a gingerbread house competition and cookies? A hot cocoa station.
I put some candy in a candy king and a tree, and then I put a sock in there, and I did the same thing. And I put some candy kings on the back, and then I put one candy there,
What are you calling your house?
and I put some candies there and one right there.
What is the name of your house?
It's called Socks of Justice.
I don't know how to follow that up. This is my madness. This is called Christmas Love Madness. And my little guy, somebody threw an ugly sweater at him, so it's covering him. And this guy has a belly full of gingerbread cookies, as I will later. And this is the crazy house of Christmas love.
My house is the CJ Mr. Baby house. I love CJ, so I wanted to make him.
Who's CJ? Who's CJ?
My little baby. This is him.
What is your creation about?
It's Light City, and this is the
Light
light.
City.
And this is the claw machine, and then we have baby CJ.
Everybody has baby CJ. This is my vacation cabin that there are no boys that live or go or are around this vacation Christmas cabin. It's only for mommy.
And Dad.
And this is me happy with my ugly Christmas sweater in my vacation house by myself. That's all I want for Christmas.
Oh.
And then, of course, Dylan could be invited.
I could be invited, but my brothers can't. Is that enjoy it, Mommy?
If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.